Tips for a successful and fun camping trip. Whether you choose to go camping by yourself or take the whole family, few destinations make for such amazing fun and adventure. Learn how to make the most of your time with nature in the great outdoors, by watching the following tips that will guide you to the best camping trip ever. When packing for your camping trip, make sure to pack either a pair of flip-flops or water shoes. These will come in handy in and around the campground. For instance, if you are staying in a campground that has bathroom facilities and you plan on taking a shower, you need to wear shoes in the shower to protect your feet from foot fungus. Navigation is the key when it comes to camping. It is important to know where you are, and how to get back to civilization if you become lost. Always bring a map of the area, and a compass to help you. You can also use an outdoor GPS that will give you navigation information, as well as additional information such as altitude. It is important to keep in mind the fact that your person and all of your possessions will get dirty during a camping trip. If you're ready for this, it will bother you less when it happens. Enjoy being in the woods and allow yourself to let loose and be messy. You can get back to normal after returning home. Ask a park ranger or a tour guide to let you know about all the places to check out while you are camping. This is a good idea so that you know you are getting the most out of your camping experience. You don't want to take a camping trip and miss out on a fun experience. Learning and living with nature is one of the best ways to spend your hard-earned vacation time. Pack and prepare with everything you need to make your camping adventure a success, and be sure to keep all the tips from this video in mind to make it go more smoothly. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pin today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.